background checks used to be a very manual, slow process, mostly human-driven process that would take weeks to happen. And so we applied software automation, we applied AI many years ago to really speed up that process. And so now we can do background checks in just an hour or two, which allows companies to hire same day much, much faster.
So when you think about background checks, you typically think of the hiring process, right? But tell me how you're meeting consumer needs and demands and also ensuring their privacy when it comes to things like home sharing and data apps. How are you tapping into that consumer marketplace? And if you could give me an example.
Background checks in the past were slow and expensive and a lot of friction, so they were not really used outside of the hiring process. But thanks to automation, now we're able to make them instant, very lightweight, and we're able to help companies that are maybe dating marketplaces, home sharing marketplaces, car sharing. There's lots of new use cases that can open if you can do an accurate background check that is very fast and allows you to understand, is it the right person? Is it a safe person for the platform?
How are you integrating the use of AI into your business model?
We've been using AI since 2018. More like traditional machine learning is a great technology to process data, to ensure accuracy. It's much faster and much more accurate than humans. You can really limit errors and improve accuracy.
Can you give me a specific example?
Typically, there's no background checks on dating, and now we're able to work with a few dating apps to do a lightweight background check to make sure the person's not a sex offender or has violent crime, very targeted to allow to have a safe place for first-time meetings on a dating app.
So you're really dabbling into many different sectors here because obviously it impacts everyday life, right?
There's an explosion of what transactions and things people do on the internet. There's been a lot of focus on like cybersecurity, but we're focused more on the people risk.
Yeah.
So really doing physical, real world trust and safety for everything you do online. So dating, sharing a car, traveling, having access to buildings, that's really an exciting new opportunity.
Well, thank you, Daniel, for joining me on Taking Stock.
Thank you for having me.